Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a truly exciting episode for you: the UK 2 new pence from 1971 and the Italy 20 euros cent from 2002. Join us as we uncover their stories and discuss their auction values. Our journey begins with the iconic UK 2 new pence coin from 1971. This coin features the familiar portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse and the Prince of Wales feathers on the reverse. Now, let's uncover its value at heritage auctions. When we look at the recent auctions on heritage auctions, the 1971 UK 2 new pence coin has consistently sold for prices ranging from $100,000 to $150,200, depending on its condition and any unique attributes it may possess. Remember, the better the condition, the higher the value. But what determines the value of the 1971 new pence coin? Several factors come into play. Firstly, its condition. Coins in mint condition or with minimal wear tend to fetch higher prices. Secondly, any errors or unusual variations can significantly boost a coin's value. Lastly, the historical significance and rarity also play a role. Keep in mind a few tips. Always store your coins in protective cases to preserve their condition. Research and stay updated on the latest trends and auction results. And finally, consider getting your coins professionally graded to enhance their value. Next up, let's take a closer look at the star of the show, the Italy 20 euro cent coin from 2002. First, we need to consider its rarity and mintage. Coins with lower mintages often have higher values. Additionally, its condition plays a significant role. Is it circulated or in mint condition? A mint condition coin will generally fetch a higher price at auctions than one that's been in circulation. But that's not all. Historical significance and demand among collectors also contribute to the coin's value. Heritage auctions are renowned for showcasing rare and valuable coins. Let's take a look at some recent auction results for the Italy 20 euros cent 2002 coin. I've pulled up some recent auction results, and it's fascinating to see how this coin has performed over the years. The prices have ranged from $44,500 in good condition, depending on factors like condition and demand,